Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat video recording is not working. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to record a video on Snapchat but it's not working, then the first thing we're going to do to fix that problem is to go in your settings. Once you're in your settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. This interface will appear, so choose Permissions. And again, tap on Permissions. Now, tap on Camera. Scroll all the way down and look for Snapchat. So tap on it. So as you see here, camera permission, it's not allowed. So now make sure that it's set to allow only while using the app. So give permission to your camera on Snapchat. Now go back. Again, go back. Scroll all the way down and tap on Photos and Videos. Scroll all the way down and again look for Snapchat and make sure that it is set to allow, so that will give access to all your photos and video on Snapchat. Now if this doesn't work, then make sure that the app is fully up to date. So go to your Play Store and now go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. So here, if it says open, then your app is fully up to date. But if it says update, then you need to update your app. Now, the last thing that we're going to do to fix that problem is to clear Snapchat cache. So go to your settings. Again, tap on Apps. And now tap on Manage Apps. Look for Snapchat. And here it is. So tap on it. And now tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and Confirm. And that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.